lived in Delaware my whole life. I've lived all over the world, but I love calling Delaware home. I'm currently serving in the Delaware Air National Guard. Got my job with Bloom through the military. The air quality is not so great in this area, but working for Bloom, bringing clean, efficient energy, there's little to no byproduct, and that's what we need here. This is our major fuel cell site. This is what I work on every single day, maintaining these. It's clean. I can touch it. It's not hot. They're safe. We have enough of these to produce clean energy for 19,000 homes here in Delaware. I'm proud to serve my country, serve the state of Delaware through the military. Proud to work here at Bloom as well, producing clean electricity for our families and our friends. I'm a proud Delawarean. There you go, right there.